Hi folks, Zach here. We're going to be going over wound packing today. The Committee on TCCC approves 3 types of hemostatic gauze: combat gauze, Celox gauze, and Chita gauze. Once you have identified a wound, hold pressure, direct pressure, and expose that wound. Go ahead and try to identify the major bleeder or any other bleeds within that wound. We're going to hold pressure on that wound. Open up your combat gauze. Make a small ball. 1 for 1, replace the finger that's holding pressure against the bleed until you've packed that entire cavity. Again, 1 for 1, maintaining pressure while you're packing and ensuring that blood isn't seeping through or around the combat gauze as you're packing it. You're going to continue to pack, maintaining pressure the entire time you're packing. Once you've packed the entire wound, hold pressure over the wound, ensuring that blood isn't seeping around or through the combat gauze. Hold pressure for 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, and it's time for a pressure dressing.